Question 1. Can you cook? Oh, definitely, yes. How to say, I am a kind of person who not only have ability to do cooking, but I also have a deep passion for this activity. Um, Unfortunately, since I attending college, I have a less chance to do cooking, so I'm very appreciate the occasions that I have been home and make meals for my family. Question 2. Who usually does the cooking in your home? Well, the person who is in charge to prepare food and look after the menu in my family is my aunt. She is very talented in cooking. She can cook a lot of dishes from the simple to the complicated one. And she also the person who guides me how to cook since I was just 5 years old. And from then on, she inspires and nurtures um, my passion for these activities. Question 3. How do people usually learn how to cook in your countries? Let me think for a second. Um, in Vietnam, normally kids would gain from their grandmother, mom, or their aunts like me. But I see that three more common methods that people usually learn how to cook in Vietnam is maybe watching cooking show, reading books, or going on the internet to look for cooking tips or advanced recipe. Question 4. What are the advantages of being able to cook? Personally speaking, I suppose being able to cook my own meal could please my taste and guarantee a good health. Um, Besides, doing cooking on a daily basis is an effective way to reduce from stress and lifts up my mood. Uh, I always feel while being happy when I make delicious dishes for my family's member. Question 1. How often do you use computers? Well, actually, I work with computer almost every day. The reason is that my major is online journalism, so it's clear that uh, most of my workings are ranging from writing essay, writing article, editing photos and videos, designing uh, infographics. Also needs computer to complete. Question 2. In what way do people use computer in your countries? For the most part, I suppose in Vietnam and also in every society in the world, people usually use computer in four common ways. In particular, they use computers as a means of education, communications, or workings and entertainment. Question 3. How did you learn how to use a computer? Uh, well, I don't remember exactly how I did, but let me think for a second. It was when I'm in grade 6, in the summer holiday for exact. My mom let me take part in a basic course in a computer center near my house because at that time she thought that uh, to be known how to use computer in early age is very helpful for my study, and after this course I could use computer quite skillfully. Question 4. How much have computers changed your life? How to say, computer has been a shift in my life because making use of computer um, helped me to work and study more quickly and effectively, and not mention to its indispensability to my typical job. It is certain that there is nothing I could do without computers. Question 1. Do you like animal? Well, obviously, I'm pretty keen on some cute pets, particularly cats and dogs and fish. But raising them by myself is something that I won't prefer because I quite busy with my work and my study, and I think I don't have enough time and necessary condition to take care of them. Question 2. What type of animal do people keep as pets in your country? I don't raise any animal, but as far as I know, in Vietnam, cats and dogs are the most common domestic animal. In recent years, a tendency towards raising exotic animal it becomes particularly popular in Vietnam, and in and for example, dog includes poodle, husky, Alaska, and cats include British Shorthair, exotic Shorthair, and so on. Question 3. How do most people feel about animal in your country? Well, let me think for a second. Actually, to some people, domestic animal is long life partners. Especially when you consider that many people keep animal as pets. They really love animal, even though they regard animal as one of the family's member. Question 4. What are animals used for in your country? Actually, in the modern life, Vietnamese usually raise animals for several reasons. For example, they regard animals as a best friends who always share happiness or sadness by having a small talk with them after a long day, burying themselves into hustle and bustle of this busy life. Meanwhile, to some kind of animal that has loyal characteristics, like dog, they also have people to look after house when we are away.